Time to get started. TLM will set up a centre account for you. We'll send you a principal assessor name and password. This video explains what to do next. Remember, further help is only a phone call away.
The principal assessor can now log in with the name Assessor2. The first thing they will see is the contract. The contract is a convenient way of making an agreement between the assessors and the learning machine in order to guarantee the upholding of standards. The principal assessor is responsible for standards within the centre. To sign the agreement, simply click the button and submit. This gives access to the rest of the site and is a one-time item. If we go to Manage Assessors now, we will see the principal assessor is there, having been set up previously, and can now add new assessors. For example, a colleague called My Colleague. Enter a password and save. On refreshing the assessor list, My Colleague appears in the list on the page. If we now go to the school admin section, we will see that we can add learners. And the easiest way to do that is using the CSV file to do it in bulk. We will add 2 learners by hand because we only need 2 for demonstration purposes. First is a boy, Jimmy Learner, and the second a girl, Samantha Brainbox. We add them and their dates of birth. And save. Here we see learners that we've added that are not in a group, so we add a group to put them in. Group is called Class 1 and it's assigned to Sam Assess. We can select the 2 learners and move them into the group. We refresh the tab and we see the group listed, and if we click Edit, we see the 2 learners within it, together with their learner IDs. We can move them, add them, remove them, and do various things with them. Now go to the assessment section and look at the INGOTS 2 assessment and a unit. In this case, it's IT security. Each of the learners has an ID, and this is important later. It's how the system identifies them. We save this unit without any data to start with because this registers the unit with the learner so that when they make an account on the learning site, this unit will be listed in the My Units section. Go back to Manage Assessors. My Colleague, we see that they haven't been given any roles. So we can add the fact that they're going to be authorized for bronze and silver certificates. The principal assessor has this authority. If we go to School Admin, we can add another group for this new assessor, and we'll call it Class 2. We save this, and we look in the refreshed tab and see that we now have 2 groups. We don't have any learners in the new group, so we're going to move Jimmy Learner from Class 1 into Class 2. This leaves Samantha in Class 1 and Jimmy in Class 2.